Hello, good evening. I'm Hemant from Team Smooth Operators. Today I'm going to represent my team and debrief you about our proposed solution. So, our solution has few important things which I need to specify. First thing is the onboarding process. In onboarding process, we are expecting an important thing from the user called activity levels. An activity level is a thing user must specify us about his average working hours in a week. By this, we can calibrate the risk of the user. If you ask how, consider an example where a user is working for 10 hours and a user is working for 20 hours. If a genuine case of not working is occurred, the 20-hour case guy is having a huge burden on his pay because he works more, he earns more. If he loses his pay, the burden on him will be high. So considering this case, we need to provide a better insurance for the guy who works hard and work long. So this is an important thing which we think needs to be there in our solution. Second thing is we are thinking of not considering a thing in the problem statement called automating the insurance payments or payouts because it's the user's wish to claim the insurance or not to claim it. So to tackle this, we propose a unique solution called a wallet. A wallet is a thing for every unique user where the insurance funds will be automatically deposited if a genuine trigger has occurred. Think if a trigger has occurred without telling the without user's acceptance, we claim the money and put in his wallet. So this is equal or equivalent to automating the payments, but we don't give the money directly to the user. We transfer the things to a wallet. The user can claim those money whenever or anytime or possible, anytime possible. So we are not forcefully giving the money. We are just keeping his money in the portal from which he can accept or withdraw at any point of time. Third thing is we are not completely relying on the stats given by our AI model because it sometimes error might occur, but that doesn't completely uh, it completely be a case where a user cannot work and he can get a loss of pay. So we are implementing a hybrid model where the AI detects something and propose it in the portal. We send notifications to the worker where the issue is uh, really a concern location. We send notifications to the user in that geographical location to verify whether the thing is genuinely a case where the users in that region can face a loss of pay and face their burden in the issue. So we can tally the votes and decide whether is this a valid case or not. So the fourth thing is a more or less the AI can detect about environmental causes and other stuff, but cannot decide whether if there is a sudden political rally or any social issue in a location. So to tackle this, we are thinking of implementing a peer-to-peer voting system where a user is suffering from these kind of rallies or bunts in an area, he can raise an issue in the portal with a valid proof where he must specify us what issue is it and in which location he is facing it. So we can sense the users in the geographical location can vote him if it's a valid thing and gets a more acceptance rate that this thing is genuine, we can give him his pay. We can consider him for claiming his resources. So here there is a few things where all the workers in the location might bluff us. So we are improving this by a thing called activity monitoring. If we suddenly see a surge of uh, users who in a specified location not moving or not taking any orders, we consider this a genuine case where the users in that location is suffering from something. So we send notifications to the users in that location whether there is a thing where they are facing an issue or they might face an issue through which they can lose their pay. So this helps us to uh, genuinely interact with the user and know him and give him insurance when he wants and to the issues where they want to claim the insurance. So these are few things which we think is good things that we should keep it in our portal to have a good user interaction and work for him and give him the insurance whenever he wants, not forcefully giving the money to him. And if we talk about betterments or improvements or scaling about this our proposed solution, we are thinking of getting a thing called number of orders a user is delivering on an average in a weekly basis. Through this, we can do certain things called we can also not completely rely on activity level because in 10 hours he can uh, deliver only 2 orders and another worker in 5 hours he can deliver 20 orders. So he works hard. So we are thinking of number of orders he delivered so we can calibrate him really well. And this also helps in that thing which the statement specified about location spoofing. If a user delivered these many orders, he might not be spoofing his location to us, so we can eliminate that thing also from our side. So thank you. These are some topics which we found and genuinely think are issues, and we really think that we are solving this. So thank you. This is our approach. Think I think you like this.